30K in the day. Insane. What's up, guys? It is Sean. It is the first vlog on this channel. It's pretty crazy, but I figured today is going to be a pretty interesting day. Just woke up in Miami. It's insane. I mean, this is the view. It's something else. This is definitely a different life than I'm used to. But yeah, let's go see what everyone else is doing. We got Greg. Say what up, Greg. So Airbnb, pretty nice, pretty nice. This is gonna be the trading setup. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we can update it. Yeah. But yeah, let's go. Got Ben back here. This shit's beautiful. I can't lie. What kind of outfit you got on, bro? It's the trading outfit?
It's a trading outfit.
What you about to make today in this outfit?
I hope over 10K.
10K standards, I'm not gonna lie. This week it's been pretty crazy, but so hopefully we print today. Yo, just cop some coffee. What time is it? So market opens 10 minutes. We're about to go print. Hopefully it's a good day. I think market's gapping down, but we're gonna take a better look when we get back inside.
Why did you redeem it? Why did you redeem?
When nothing but my hands on you.
What up, boys? It's 2:40 right now, and we are ending the trading day pretty soon. This is kind of the setup we're working with. Not bad. We got a few monitors and stuff, but so far we're all pretty much doing good on the day. I'm actually having my best day. I don't want to spoil what it is yet, but I will show you guys. I haven't seen HSS long. It just went. Let's see if we hit it. Let's see. Wow, we did it, baby. 30K in the day. Insane. Insane in Miami. I don't even know how to react. It's pretty crazy. Thank you. This is nuts. This is nuts. Like 30K in one singular day. Like, I don't understand how this is real. I don't know. People say it's corny to say the Miami effect is real, but to be honest, I just think this is motivating me more to do bigger numbers every day. It's truly insane. Like $30,000. I don't even know how to explain it. This is one singular day. This has been my best week by far. It's been a crazy week. We're all printing. Wow, trading's insane. All right, we just got done trading for the day. We kind of all printed. Greg, what'd you do today?
I made 11K.
11? But he made 6K. It's still good.
15K on the
15K.
day.
We all printed. I made 30. Pretty insane. About to go tour some.
What me, all of us made combined.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go tour some apartments, and yeah, I mean, Miami's insane. This is the first time I've been to Miami, but no, this is crazy. So I will talk to you guys over there. We're currently in the first one. This shit's nuts. Cannot lie. This is the little view. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's pretty crazy. It's a little small, but probably gonna still keep looking. School location's a little loud, but yeah. This is like one bedroom. This is another small bedroom, but everything is all walk around, so it's like the whole building is pretty much all secured, so it looks pretty cool. But yeah, we're just gonna keep looking probably and figure out what we like best. All right, we just toured the second one. I didn't really record it, but Ben, what'd you think about it?
That shit was crazy, and it would be stupid if we didn't live it.
Yeah. So now we're at Chipotle, kind of thinking about what the idea is. Greg, what you think?
Okay. First one, the view, I don't know. Like, if you live in the first one, like, that's beautiful, but if you live in the second one, you're a G. That's how I think about it.
Yeah.
Like, the second one's like a boss lives there.
No, yeah.
This bottle of wine, and we're about to get the night actually started.
Yo, we're back outside. We're about to go grab some dinner, I think. I don't really know the plan. I just took a fucking nap and they woke me up, not gonna lie. But it's loud as shit here. We're in the city right now.
We're about to eat some fucking meat.
Yo,
We about to eat the meat. I'm about to suck it.
Yo, we just got the dinner. It's a little late. 1:30 right now in the morning, and this is just Miami.
It looks fake.
It's pretty crazy that you can go out to dinner at 1:30 and you can literally just eat here. About to cook up some food. About to be pretty good. Let's go.
I don't need nobody else, oh no. Got time.
ahead, bro. Try that shit.
Steak bite.
That's a big ass bite. That's really good.
Alright, about to head to bed. Everyone's going to sleep. We got Ben sleeping on the couch right now. But right now I don't even know what time it is, but like I said, insane trading day. This is one of my first vlogs. I guess it is my first vlog. Insane trading day today. Honestly, still has not set in and probably won't set in. It's crazy that this is all possible. This is kind of a mess of the setups, but it's crazy that this is all possible. And it's just insane. This is just really our first trip all together kind of trading. And it kind of just opens up so many eyes and doors on what is really possible in the future and, you know, where we could potentially be living or anything. There's so many opportunities, and I feel like this is just a start. So super excited for the future. I will talk to you guys later in the next video. This is the bed. I'll see you guys. Bye. Good morning. It is Sunday. I'm about ready to leave Miami. It's been an insane few days, I can't lie. Honestly, it's a whole nother world. It's kind of like, if you ever go on vacation, it's like a resort, bro. Everyone's just having a good time. It's 2 a.m. You could be walking out of nowhere on the street and just see someone completely famous or someone big or a millionaire, anything. It's just insane. You'll be seeing Lambos, Huracans, anything. It just does not matter. But about to leave right now the Airbnb to go shopping. So that should be cool. I don't really know what the plan is to buy or anything like that. But probably just check it out. We're about a couple minutes away from the Brooklyn City Center, so probably gonna go do that, and then after that we gotta go home. We gotta go to the airport, and then yeah, this should be a cool day. They're listening to music, but beautiful. Miami there's no other place. It's insane. Let's see what they're doing.
What up, G? Yo, bro. I'm putting my shit away, and I'm very upset because we're leaving, bro.
We are leaving.
But you know what? I'm upset now, but we're deadass gonna be living here soon, so can't even be.
It's about to be our reality, bro. Greg's messy. I'm not gonna lie. This is his room, bro. That's why he doesn't have a girlfriend for a reason, bro. I mean, can't stay clean. I don't know. And also, guys, I know a lot of you guys are trying to get into trading and like don't really know where to start, and like I was in the same exact position, and now literally in Miami looking at water. It's just like insane, but all you guys got to do is stay motivated, create a trading plan, really just stay disciplined and kind of know your role and kind of don't rush the process. Like results will automatically follow. You agree?
If you go into trading with the mentality that like you don't give a fuck about the money, you simply want to get better at trading, you will see results. It may not happen today, it may not happen tomorrow, pero honestly what it comes down to is having the right people around you, you know, successful traders who already know what they're doing. So, you know, that's why me and Sean, you know, definitely recommend that anyone who wants to get started to definitely get mentored, because, you know, sometimes in life you need to put your ego aside and you just need to learn from someone who knows what they're doing so you can do it yourself a lot quicker. Because obviously we all think that we're capable of doing something, but at the end of the day, time is money. We want to be able to do things fast. So I think Sean would also agree.
Yeah.
Like that a mentorship is definitely the meta, bro.
Just checked out. Now we don't really know what to do because we all have our luggage and stuff. And we can't go to the airport for like another couple hours, but now we're walking with all our stuff. So beautiful. It's like insane. Alright, just ate. Beautiful view, I can't lie. It's truly crazy. How was breakfast, boys?
Insane.
10 out of 10.
But yeah, it was pretty good. I don't even know what we got, but it's best waffles I've ever had. Yeah, the water's right there. We just don't have this in Jersey. It's 30 degrees in Jersey right now, NPA, so that just goes to show. We moving?
I think so, bro.
I don't know, bro. Just had breakfast. We're leaving this beautiful view. I don't know. I'm coming back. I don't know about them. They're bitching, but we coming back?
I'm scared to go home.
Yeah, I don't want to go home. It's like cold. It's too damn cold. Like, I don't know how we can walk this and just people are just don't move here. Like this is paradise, to be honest. This is insane. Yeah, I'll see you guys at the airport. We're so late. We're so, bro. Our flight's in 30 minutes and we haven't even checked bags yet. We're literally so late to the airport. I don't know what happened. The Uber took 50 different wrong turns. The bridge closed. Now we're running. I'm not gonna lie. We have not even went through security and the flight is in 30 minutes. This might be a sign to not go back to PA and just stay in Miami. This might be the sign. We made it. How do we make it, bro? Greg was actually freaking out. And me and Ben were just enjoying the car ride. The Uber guy, tell him about the Uber guy.
The Uber guy was, how do you say it? He was a little bit, he was crazy.
Maybe he'll see this video. He knows. We have arrived. What you think, bro? It's too cold. It's too cold. I'm in shorts right now and I'm freezing. Alright, we are back at home in the trading office. Kind of just working on some videos right now, editing some content for Instagram. About to call it a night. It is, what time is it? Don't even know. It's late though. 12:52. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about being home right now. I think the plan is, I mean, we toured definitely a few apartments. The whole goal of going there was to tour some apartments, you know, connect with other people and stuff like that. So went down there, toured apartments, met up with some people, and you know, my mind hasn't changed. It's obviously a beautiful place. I understand where a lot of people make content and live there because it's just all around such a great place. But I think I'm going to make a trip there either next week or the week after. I don't know if my friends are coming, but yeah, I think I'm definitely going to make a trip down there to look at more apartments and stuff like that. Obviously, it's a good area, and it's I think it just can benefit me. But that's going to do it for the video, the first vlog. It was kind of 2 days combined into one. Which was pretty cool. So it was kind of like a Miami vlog. But yeah, tomorrow will be the first day of March trading. So hopefully March is a great month. February is my best month so far. I'm kind of just rising as the days go by, which is awesome. So hopefully March is another great month for me. And I definitely think a lot of cool things are coming up in the future, and I'm super excited for those things. I noticed it's a little slower in the beginning of the months, at least for me. Some people are making money, but you know, I'm not making the crazy amounts of money. So definitely I'm going to start being passive tomorrow and throughout the week, kind of see how the week goes. And you know, if it's going good, I'll raise my risk and I will end up risking more. Hope we capitalize on those moves. But market's been dumping right now recently, which is good. It's been giving me more opportunities to make money. So that is going to do it for the video. I will definitely keep you guys updated. I hope you guys enjoyed the first video. Definitely going to be doing this more often so you guys can kind of see my daily life. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys.